How about we get together to write our reports? Why don't you come over and we'll compare notes and do a good job on this? Maybe we'll get an A on our report. Hand me that eraser, will you, Chuck? You touched my hand, Chuck.
You kind of like Chuck, don't you, sir?
Well, good night, Chuck. Good night, Marcy. I think we wrote great reports. We'll all get A's. You walk my friend home, okay, Chuck?
That was nice of you to come help us with the field trip report, Chuck. Especially after Peppermint Patty let slip what she really thinks of you. She really likes you, you know. That stuff about boring, dull, wishy-washy old Chuck. Was just a slip of the tongue.
Good grief.
Peppermint Patty kind of likes you, Chuck. Well, Chuck, thanks for walking me home. Good night.